ICT dropped a video on his channel on the 19th of February. In that video, he teased a new trading model that he is going to teach in 2025 mentorship. He named this model Venom. In this video, I am going to teach you guys what the Venom model is, how it works, and in the end, I will share some trade examples of this model. So, first of all, to understand the Venom model, you first need to understand what a BPR is. BPR, short for Balanced Price Range, is an area on the chart where two opposite fair value gaps are overlapping each other to form a support or resistance level. Let me explain it with an example. If you look here, there was a fair value gap on this down move. Then when the price changed its direction to upside, it created another fair value gap at the same area, or price range, whatever you want to call it. This combined range between both fair value gaps is called BPR. When a BPR forms at a level, it makes that level really strong support or resistance for the price. That's because the price now has two inefficiencies at the same level. So the price does two things really quickly. First is it retraces back to BPR, and second is it respects the BPR and changes its direction after reaching BPR. Let's discuss the complete model. First of all, at the start of any session, mark the buy and sell side liquidity. Next, wait for the price to take either side of the liquidity. Once price has taken the liquidity, after the price changes its direction, look if price has formed a BPR. Now, when the price retraces back to this BPR, we will enter a buy trade. For stop loss, use the low of this most recent move. And for take profit, you can stick to 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio, or you can target the buy side liquidity. Take profit targets can also be managed depending upon the market. If the market is strongly bullish, you can target higher liquidity levels. But if the market starts ranging after taking a buy side liquidity, that can be the indication that the price might start going lower, and it can serve as a signal to take your profits at that level. Anyway, taking profit can be done in multiple ways. It's totally up to you how you want to manage it, whether you want it to be fixed at 1-to-2, or you want to manage it by yourself depending on the market behavior. If you back test it, do share its results in the comment section. I would love to know how it is working out for you and what you think is the best way of taking profit. Let's discuss the bearish scenario. First of all, we will mark the buy and sell side liquidity. Once the price has taken the liquidity, mark the fair value gaps that have formed on the way up. Next, wait for the price to form a balanced price range, BPR, at the level of the fair value gap. After that, place your sell limit at the low of BPR and set the stop loss and take profit level, as we have discussed in the bullish example. In this case, I am going to target this sell side liquidity as my take profit target. Just a quick thing, guys. Before discussing the examples of Venom model, I was working behind the scene on developing a really profitable strategy with the help of AI. During this past weekend, finally, I was able to successfully create one. And once I tested, its results are nothing less than unbelievable. In the past 4 weeks, this strategy has gained plus 51% growth because the average losing trade is around $600, which means if you have a $100,000 account, you will be risking only 0.6% per trade to make $51,000. Now, if you are a trader with experience of at least 3 months, you understand how mind-blowing these results are. Right now, I am doing live streams using this strategy, but I don't know how long I will keep doing it because I don't want this strategy to get leaked or something, so I want to keep it to just a few people. So maybe I will stop streaming in a month, maybe in a week, or maybe I will put a monthly subscription on this stream and stream it on Zoom or something. So if you are interested in making profits along with me, you can join the stream as long as it lasts. Now let's go back to the examples of the ICT Venom model. Here you see after taking the liquidity, price changed its direction and created this BPR level. Upon the retracement, we will enter a buy trade at the high of BPR, and we'll put our stop loss below the low of most recent swing low. For take profit level, you can see the price is in a strong bullish trend, so we will target this higher buy side liquidity, which you can see was hit easily. Let's see another buy example. After taking this liquidity, price changed its direction and created this BPR level. Price retraces back to BPR level. We will enter a buy trade at the high of BPR, and we'll put our stop loss below the low of most recent swing low. For take profit, you can see the buy side liquidity is resting above this high, and the price isn't in a strong bullish trend, so we will take profit at this level. Let's discuss some bearish examples. First of all, you see the price has taken this buy side liquidity. After taking liquidity, it changed the direction and formed a BPR here. Once the price retraces back to the low of the BPR, we will enter a sell trade. Put your stop loss above the most recent high and wait for the market to give you an idea about how strong the trend is before putting your take profit level. As you can see, this is a really strong bearish trend, so we will target this lower sell side liquidity. Similar to the first example, the price here has changed its direction after taking the buy side liquidity. After taking liquidity, it formed a balanced price range. So we will enter a sell trade at the low of this BPR, and we will put our stop loss at the most recent swing high. As you can see, the trend is strongly bearish. So to make the most out of this trade, again, we will target lower sell side liquidity and not this nearest one. That's it from this video. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you want to learn more advanced ICT and smart money concepts, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.